In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show trade levels on MetaTrader 5. If you're someone who enjoys trading and uses MetaTrader 5 as your platform of choice, you know how important it is to visualize your trades clearly and concisely. Showing your trade levels directly on the chart is a fantastic way to gain quick insights and make informed decisions at a glance. So, let's dive into the simple process of enabling this feature. First, you'll want to start by right-clicking anywhere on your chart. It doesn't matter if it's the middle, top corner, or edge, just as long as it's on the chart you wish to modify. This right-click action brings up a context menu filled with a variety of options related to chart settings, navigation, and analysis. Remember, right-clicking is like magic in MetaTrader 5. It unlocks several possibilities directly at your fingertips. Next, from the context menu that appears, you'll need to select Properties. This step is crucial as the Properties window is where all the visual adjustments and customizations to your chart happen. It friendlily offers you access to settings allowing for a much more tailored trading experience. When the Properties window pops up, you'll see a series of tabs at the top of the window. Navigate to the Show tab, which is specialized for display options. Exploring the different tabs might be tempting, but we're specifically interested in Show for our task today. Upon opening the Show tab, you should notice a checkbox labeled Show Trade Levels. This feature, when enabled, displays horizontal lines on your chart representing your order levels. Buy and sell orders, stop losses, and take profile levels, essentially giving you a visual representation of all open trades and pending orders. These lines are immensely helpful for understanding where each trade stands without needing to delve into your trading history or order list. Once you have located the Show Trade Levels option, simply tick the checkbox. This action ensures that your trade levels will now appear on your charts. It's as simple as checking a box, but doing so can dramatically enhance how you interpret market activity and respond to changes. Finally, after selecting this checkbox, you'll want to confirm and save these changes by clicking OK. Once you hit that OK button, you'll immediately see the trade levels reflected on your chart. This small change can enhance your trading readiness and allow you to make transactions more confidently. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to show trade levels on MetaTrader 5. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up to better manage and visualize your trades, making the chart